Howdy folks. So here we are bank fishing. Got me a nice blue cat here. He's probably 15, 20 pounds. Down here at the cabin. Tennessee River, baby. Oh buddy. He wants to be all crazy with me. He's about to go back home in the water. There he goes, folks. Let him go, let him grow. I'm gonna add some photos from this weekend into this video here, folks. So I didn't get no video. This is just a vacation trip, so I'll show you guys what we're doing here. See, bank fishing. I do got the boat, but it's out of the water. We caught a lot of fish out on the boat. I'll throw pictures in to this video. Just give you guys a little bit of footage, but sorry I didn't get that takedown on camera. I didn't think I'd catch anything. It's probably 4 foot deep out in front of me, so yeah. Here's what I'm using. Cut skipjack. Alrighty, well, that's the second fish. First one was a little channel cat. That will be in this video also, so yeah. Hope you guys liked the video. See you later.